Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Shem, in the name of Mashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And I say Shalom to the elders, Ra'akim Aquaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson that I want to bring out of the rising tensions between Ukraine versus Russia. Over there, the Russia-Ukraine situation as it's entering in its second or third year, as the Russia-Ukraine situation is only heating up. And this is a news article from abcnews.go.com, and it reads as of February 7th, 2024, from the Associated Press, and it reads, Russia attacks targets across Ukraine with missiles and drones as EU top diplomat visits Kyiv or Korvai, if I pronounced that right. It says authorities say Russia has fired cruise and ballistic missiles and Shahed-type drones at targets across Ukraine, if I pronounced that S word right. In Korvai, Ukraine, Russia fired cruise missiles and ballistic missiles and type drones at 6 regions across Ukraine on Wednesday morning. Authorities reported killing at least 5 civilians and wounding almost 50 others, including a pregnant woman. The attacks hit at least 3 major cities, including the capital of Kyiv, where the European Union top diplomat was discussing military aid and financial support for Ukraine. He said that he started his day in an air raid shelter, calling it part of Ukraine's daily reality after almost 2 years of war. It says the West help it's desperately needed by Ukraine, which is struggling with the ammunition and personnel shortages. Some long-term foreign funding is also in doubt at the latest effort to clinch a deal on Ukraine aid in the U.S. Senate collapsed Tuesday. It says, though the roughly 1,500 kilometers of 900 miles front line has barely budged in recent months, the Kremlin forces have the upper hand in stocks of missiles and artillery ammunition used for long-range strikes. Russia has repeatedly used missiles to blast civilian targets during the conflict. Ukraine President Vladimir Zelensky said last month that air defense and electronic warfare systems can't stop. Drones are Kyiv's top priority. The UN Human Rights Monitoring Mission in Ukraine said Wednesday that civilian casualties in the war has begun monitoring gain after falling last month. It documented 158 civilian deaths and 483 wounded, up to 37% from last November. So far, the conflict has killed more than 10,000 civilians and wounded nearly 20,000 others, the UN says. And this is the book of Ezekiel 38 and verse 1. It says, and the word of the Lord Yahweh came unto me, saying, Ezekiel 38 and verse 2, Son of man, set thy face against Gog and the land of Magog, and the chief prince of Meshach and Tubal. Russia represents that bear of Gog and the land of Magog. This is Ezekiel 38 and verse 3. And thus saith the Lord Yahweh thy power, behold, I am against thee, O Gog, and the chief prince of Meshach and Tubal. Prophet Ezekiel 38 and verse 4. And I will turn thee back and put hooks into thy jaws, and I will bring thee forth in all thy armies, horse and horsemen, all the linen cloth for all sorts of armor, even a great company of bucklers and shields, and all them handling swords. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of abcnews.go.com as of February the 7th, 2024, from the Associated Press. And it reads again: Russia attacks targets across Ukraine with missiles and drones as EU's top diplomatic visits of Kyiv. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Wakakadash. In the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, and the name for Mashiach Abishai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'ak and Wa'akwath. Until next time, I will say Shalom.